Draughtex is a revolutionary floorboard insulation allowing you to have beautiful wooden floors without the draft. First, clear any debris from between each floorboard using a screwdriver. Lay a length of Draughtex along the floorboard gap. Using a pair of scissors, push the end of the Draughtex into the gap to secure it. Then, using a credit card, push a few centimetres of the Draughtex into the gap. Push the remaining piece of Draughtex that is sticking out under the floorboard with a pair of scissors. With one hand, pull the Draughtex slightly to allow easy insertion, and then roll the applicator over the Draughtex to push it into the gap, creating a seal. When you have inserted Draughtex along the full length of the floorboard, use a credit card to insert the remaining section into the gap. Cut the Draughtex to leave only a short stub and push this under the skirting with the end of a pair of scissors. Draughtex can be stretched to enable it to be fitted into smaller gaps. To insert into small gaps, pull the Draughtex with one hand and then use the applicator to insert it into the small gap, continuing to pull as you are using the applicator.